not going to record the rest of this.
All right, so here we are.
We back.
We back. We out here. So Paul's over. That's Paul. And yeah, we're going to be taking off the oil pan and taking that giant ass drill bit right there. And we're going to just drill a hole in the side of his block. Doesn't that sound like fucking fun? You paid $900 for the truck just for this block, and we're about to drill a hole in it.
There it goes.
Sweet. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that shit off and hope that we don't fuck this up. And okay, so the reason why we're drilling a hole in the block is because we're gonna vent the block to try and get rid of excessive crank pressure. Is it crank pressure? I think it is.
Crankcase pressure?
Yeah, crankcase pressure. I knew I was missing a word. But yeah, it just to help get the pressure out so it doesn't blow all the gaskets and leak oil like a mamma jamma again. So
Going for 50 PSI next year.
Yep.
We out here.
He's trying to boost up to 50 PSI. That is a guarantee and promise.
Okay. That's too much. Maybe once.
Calling his bluff. Yeah, it's a one and done. Maybe next winter.
50 PS, I don't know,
If we hit 100,000 subscribers next year, Paul will turn it up to 50 PSI.
I just turned it up because I'm bored.
To 50 PSI because you're bored?
Yeah. You'd have to get like a 5-bar map sensor for that, because 4-bar goes to like 43, I think.
Yeah. Well, 50 would be...
50 is the max on some of those.
I don't even know if you could make 50. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, so yeah. Enough rambling on. Let's get this oil pan off and then let the drilling commence. God, my screen just keeps getting, or my camera keeps getting dirty. But yeah, because it's got like some stupid shimmer. But yeah, there it is. We got it off. That was fun. Maybe if we put a little bit more sealant on here next time.
There's like no sealant on this side though.
Yeah, I know this thing's like waxy. It's probably why it fucking leaked.
Yeah, screw double gasket. It's a terrible idea. Don't do it.
I don't know. Well, whatever this cheap ass gasket is, dude, feel that. It's like super slippery.
That's weird.
How's anything supposed to adhere to that?
They don't.
But yeah, now we figure out where we go from here. That's not the bed now. But yeah, so if you look down in here, you see those two holes. That's basically where the collector is for that. That's where we're going to be drilling a hole into, which is this flat spot right here. So basically, we're just going to drill a hole right in there. And then we got this big boy. Do you remember what size this was?
45/64.
That size, 45/64. And then we got
this.
So we're going to be putting this big mamma jam in there, which I believe this is like, what?
It's a ½ inch.
½ inch. So a ½ inch MPT. And I have those are from Harbor of the Freight. But yeah, so basically we knew we needed a ½ inch MPT. So we just looked up what size drill bit we needed. Boom, that's what we got. So hopefully it's all right, because that'd be a damn shame. But yeah, so now the fun part, to drill this out. And the good news is, like, where it's at, nothing should really get where it shouldn't be. Especially, I mean, as long as we drill it sideways, it should be fine, because then it'll all drop down. And then we'll be able to clean it out fairly easy. So, yep. And then we're also probably going to use some of this guy. Put some grease on the drill bit to help catch the shavings.
Probably goop that down in there before we drill too, so it catches it when it comes through.
Yeah, plausible. But yeah, so that's the plan. Let's do it. Well, there it is. Damage is done. First hole.
Can't go back now.
From tiny to ginormous. That's where we're heading. So yeah, we're gonna try and go through everything we got here, so that way it's easier. Because we really don't want to dull out that. That's gonna be quite the jump.
It's a jumper, mate.
But yeah, so let's do that. Alright, so there's a hole. Now we're about to go from, what is that, ½ inch to that big mamma jamma. We drilled a hole in the floor over there and then test fitted this to make sure that this is the right drill bit, and it's good enough, close enough. So now we're going to send it into there, and then we'll thread it and then hope it's all golden. You know, I just thought about that thing goes in so far.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut that off.
That's gonna be interesting. So
Or just not. Hey,
yeah, pretty much gonna have to cut it. So yeah, but yep. Out with the little, too ginormous. I can stick my pointer finger in your block, Paul.
No, don't do that.
Oh, not the knock sensor.
Oh, no.
But yeah, now we gotta tap it. Alright, so there it is. It's in there. Almost full penetration, but we're hitting the wall, so hopefully that's enough. Otherwise, this is gonna suck. So let's do that. Alright, well, it's threaded in, but we gotta cut it. You don't have to cut that much off.
Probably like half.
So we gotta cut off a wee bit, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, well, there it is. We didn't trim it up just because we don't feel like risking it. Not risking it for the biscuit, but yeah, here's that. It's in there. That's how you vent the block. So, you just gotta put a gasket or the oil pan back on and all that good shit. But that's it for this one, guys. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.